Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. I'm calling to introduce to our new product that can help everybody to make their job easier. Our group name is Newton. So this is our product called gardening box. Here there are 5 members in our group. Enjoy your watching. Technique to watering plants, sometimes using technique watering can. This technique is easy to use for watering plant, but there's a weakness in this technique. One of the weakness is heavy to lift the watering can. The watering can will be heavy after we put a lot of water or poison in it. Second, this technique will take a long time because we need to refill the water a lot of time. This will make the process much longer to be done. So our group innovate the technique to watering box. So next, let's move to background. This product called gardening box. It is made of metal. It can be used to spray poison, fertilizer, and watering plant. It has 3 uses in one box. It has a switch that can turn on each use, affordable for all gardeners. It uses solar as the electricity. This product is really useful, good for nature, save energy, and most importantly, it is affordable. So next, let's move to the problem statement. The first problem is must be filled out repeatedly. It will make the process much longer. So the solution is have a big amount of container. Big amount of container will make the process much easier because we don't need to refill it a lot of time. Next, the second problem is took a long time. If you use the watering can, it took a really long time to put the fertilizer and poison. So the solution is have all the tools that we need in one box. Gardening box is easy to change the tools because of the switch. The last problem is heavy to carry around. Carrying things that really heavy will hurt your hand. So the solution is have a wheel and a pusher. Wheel will make it easier to push it around, and the pusher is to push the box. Here we present our gardening box. It has a handle for push-up. Then there are switches to turn on the water, fertilizer, and poison. It has wheels below the box to move it. Then it has metal box door for refill the things, while the storage used to keep the tools. Next is stretching hose. The stretching hose is for watering plant, spray the fertilizer, and poison. The last one is panel solar for electricity source. So next is discussion. Contribution to the community. Cheap, low cost, and affordable as it is made up of waste materials. Easy to bring it everywhere as we produce it to have wheels and pusher. And easy to use because it have a switch. And the last one is marketing plan. Our total cost per unit is 1,072 ringgit and 43 cents. Our group has discussed to put the price of the watering box. The price is 1,500 ringgit and 55 cents. So the advantages is 428 ringgit and 12 cents. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you for watching.